Welcome back po sa Kapuso Station, Miss LP. We're so glad to have you here again. Huwag na po kayong umalis. And yun, sana mag-enjoy kayo.
To Miss LT, welcome back. Na-miss po kayo ng Kapuso Network. We are so happy to have you here again. And I'm so privileged na makakatrabaho po kayo.
Lorna, I'm so happy that you are with Channel 7 again. More power to your coming back.
Welcome back, Miss Lorna Tolentino. I'm very, very excited to be working with you, and it's an honor really to be working with you, and I'm so excited!
Hi, Miss LT. Welcome back. Kapuso ka na ulit. At sobrang grateful ako na magkakatrabaho ulit tayo at magkakasama tayo kasi sobrang matagal na yung ulit tayo nagkatrabaho. Welcome back.
Hi, Maring LT. Welcome back to GMA Kapuso, where you belong. And I'm very happy that we'll be working together sa Pahiram ng Sandali.